This is Peggy St. Peters with Coldwell Banker Lakeside, and I would like to have a talk with you today about wiring money. Wiring money is obviously a very common practice in this home buying process, and unfortunately, our country has a serious problem with wire fraud. So here are a couple of suggestions to keep your money safe. If you get an email with instructions on wiring money, please, please, please make a phone call to the place, which would be the closing agent. Make a phone call, get an actual person on the line who knows what they're talking about, and verbally check the numbers before you would send any money. There have been actual cases in Middle Tennessee where people got emails that had been intercepted and numbers changed, and when they got the email, it looked exactly correct. It was exactly that email. They had managed to literally use the email with incorrect numbers that were going to someone else, and your money's gone. If you are wiring money, get the email instructions and make the phone call, make an actual connection. Even in the heat of the moment, it is worth it to be 100% positive that person sent you that email and the numbers match. I know this sounds like simple, but it is a simple step that you can do to protect yourself and protect your money. If it's the lender or the bank who is doing the wire, then you should let them worry about it. This is what they do for a living, and they have their own processes, and you have some guarantees of the safety of your money. So don't worry about that. This is if you are someone who is personally giving your bank instructions to wire money. Thank you very much for listening, and it's very exciting that you are in this point in the process. I'll talk to you soon. More on closing.